We have come to Doodhpathri, 50 kilometers away from Srinagar, and here we can see heavy snow on the mountains
80 sir, 80.
of Doodhpathri. So this is Doodhpathri, 50 kilometers away from Srinagar, a beautiful spot. And here we can see beautiful mountains along with the snow, the latest snow. The snowfall here. Everywhere it is filled with snow and fog. Doodhpathri.
तो मेरा फोन पकड़े होता है ना निकल फोन और जी बैठ गए पगले फोन होते ठीक है सर पहुंच गए सर ये भी नंबर है क्या करो आपको देखो क्या करा को
And heavy drizzle is going on right now in Doodhpathri. So everywhere we can see snow. Here also we can see snow. And here we can see more snow. So here we can see the latest snowfall in Doodhpathri area. Here you can see beautiful snow here. Just like foam, a milk foam. That is why this area is called as Doodhpathri. Very nice place, better than Pahalgam. Here also we can see the snowfall, the latest snowfall here. So here we can find, you can see the layers, the ice layers here. And this is the Kashmir Valley viewpoint. The Kashmir Valley viewpoint here. You can see the beautiful view of this mountain in Srinagar. Heavy snowfall is there on the mountains. We can see very clearly beautiful scenery here. Heavy snowfall on the mountains in Srinagar. Beautiful picturesque view of this mountain in Srinagar. Heavy snowfall.